In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a reference with F4 in Google Sheets on desktop. Locking a reference, sometimes called making it absolute, keeps a specific cell or row or column from shifting when you copy a formula. This is essential for things like multiplying a column of numbers by a fixed tax rate, or always pointing to a single header cell while filling a formula down a list. Start by clicking the cell where you want to enter a formula. With the cell selected, type your formula. For example, equals A1 times B1. You can type it directly in the cell or in the formula bar. Both work the same way. Now, place your cursor on the part of the formula you want to lock. That means moving the cursor so it's within the reference, like on A1 or B1. You can do this by clicking within the formula text. This tells Google Sheets which reference you're about to adjust. Press F4. Each time you press F4, Google Sheets cycles through 4 reference types. The first press adds a $sign before both the column and the row, like $A$1. That locks both the column and the row, so the reference never moves. Press F4 again, and you'll see $1. That locks just the row, which is useful if you copy a formula down, but want it to always refer to the same row. Press F4 a third time, and you'll get $A1. That locks just the column, handy when copying across columns but keeping the column fixed. One more press brings you back to A1, the fully relative, unlocked reference that shifts both row and column when copied. Choose the state that matches your goal. For example, if B1 holds a constant rate, lock B1 so it doesn't change as you copy the formula. If you overshoot, just keep tapping F4 until you cycle back to the option you want. When your reference is set, press Enter to apply the formula. You should see the result calculate immediately in the selected cell. To reuse the formula, drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, the fill handle, down or across. As you drag, the locked references will stay fixed exactly as you set them, while any unlocked parts adjust relative to their new positions. That's all there is to it. Click a cell, type your formula, place the cursor on the reference, press F4 to lock what you need, press Enter, and then drag to fill. With this simple technique, your formulas remain accurate and consistent, no matter how far you copy them.